You've probably come across a lot of slowed and reverb songs on social media. In this video, I'll show you how to create slowed and reverb songs in VirtualDJ, easily and quickly. I've seen many people make these edits in FL Studio and other software, which can take a lot of time. But in this video, I'll teach you how to create lo-fi style songs in just a minute using VirtualDJ. If you're new here, consider subscribing. First, open VirtualDJ and load your song. Then go to the FX section and select Pitch, Reverb, and optionally, Flanger. Personally, I don't like using Flanger. I prefer distortion for some songs. But feel free to skip this part. Now adjust the values according to your preferences. If you want more control, click the plus icon next to the FX to access more options. Listen to the song. If it sounds good to you, it's time for the next step. Now we'll slow down the speed of the track. Reduce the BPM until it feels right. And that's it. For the final step, go to Settings, Record, and hit the Record button. To be honest, the quality won't be perfect because recording lowers it slightly, but in most cases, no one will be able to tell the difference. That's it. If you liked the video, leave a comment and subscribe.